Jingzhou Kamo Machinery, your trusted manufacturing partner for concrete equipment. Located in Jingzhou City, Henan Province in China, we enjoy convenient transportation access and beautiful environment. Kamo Machinery is a professional manufacturer specializing in concrete batching plants, concrete mixers, screw conveyors, concrete pumps, and spare parts for concrete production. We focus on the raw materials quality, welding skills, qualified accessories, and testing run well before delivery. Our technical workers have many years' experience, our sales team has patient service, and we have professional installation technicians. We combine precision engineering, automated processing, and rigorous inspection standards. From laser-cut steel plates to fully assembled systems, every detail is controlled by our skilled technicians and quality teams to ensure reliability, performance, and durability. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. But our job does not end when the machine leaves our factory. Kamo Machinery provides comprehensive after-sales service, including installation guidance, technical training, and spare parts support. Long-term success depends on more than just great equipment. We have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services and stable quality products. That's why Kamo Machinery is trusted by concrete producers and distributors in over 60 countries worldwide. Jingzhou Kamo Machinery, manufactured with care, supported with integrity, trusted by professionals. We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future together. Your needs are our goals. Contact us now to start your success.